Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 34,284 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the heated seat is inoperable, the TPS is inoperable, and the left saddlebag will not lock as the lock button is stuck. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a tear and blemishes on the passenger backrest, corrosion and scratches on the rear fender, scratches on the right saddlebag, and scrapes on the left saddlebag. This bike has one fob and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Saddleman seat, a Reinhardt exhaust, passenger backrest, a luggage rack, passenger floorboards, saddlebag speakers, and saddlebag guards. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.